Hindi ko rin siya na-enjoy eh. Ang hirap. Parang mawawala na ako ng ulirat. Makakabasa ka pa, binabash ka ng mga Steve Perry, No Journey Without Perry, gano'n. Tapos mukha raw akong palaka, mukhang gano'n.
Nag-viral kamakailan si Arnel at ang Journey nang mapansin ng maraming fans na hindi na maabot ng Pinoy singer ang high notes ng hit song ng banda na Don't Stop Believing. At humingi rin siya ng paumanhin sa kanyang performance at sinabing luba siyang naapektuhan sa mga pangyayari. Ika ni Ariel, once again, thank you so much everyone who came to Journey official show since February this year. I appreciate you all, and not only that, every time that I'm on stage with the band, I feel this immense gratitude, humility, and honor. I am very aware of this. No one more than me in this world feels so devastated about this, sabi niya. Mentally and emotionally, I've suffered already, and I'm still suffering, but I'll be okay. So here's the deal. Here's now, dagdag niya. Sinabi rin ni Arnel na ang mga tagahanga na ang magdesisyon kung gusto pa ba siyang manatili o umalis na sa banda. Sabi ni Ariel, I am offering you a chance now, especially those who hated me and never liked me from the very beginning, to simply text go or stay right here. Sabi niya, and if go reaches 1 million, I'm stepping out for good. God bless all of you, and thank you once again to all of the fans and friends who believe in me since day one, sambit pa niya. Pinalitan ni Ariel Pineda si Steve Perry bilang vocalist noong Journey noong year 2008. Narito pa ang mga comments ng mga ibang mga kaibigan ni Arnel, mga artista, at nagbigay na encouragement kay Arnel dahil natural lang naman na ang boses minsan ay nawawala sa kondisyon. At napatunayan na rin naman ni Arnel na napakahusay niyang singer since for 17 years nakasama niya ang Journey. Narito ang comment ni Bina Morales. You are a rock star. Sometimes we can't give 100%, but you always nail it in every performance. Don't let anyone bring you down. We love you, my friend. God bless and keep on rocking, sabi ni Bina Morales. At narito pa ang ilang mga comments ng mga netizens para kay Arnel Pineda.